Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about business intelligence with AI. At this moment I have here a beautiful view of a program called Power BI. But this is, as my concern, the old way, because you can here draw beautiful dashboards and reports like this. And you can see all a gauge, a graph, bar charts, tables, etc. Here a bar chart, a pie chart. You can here click the plus button to zoom in. You can see beautiful maps. It's all beautiful. But what happens when you want to have data on the fly? Then you need other stuff. Then in this case you have to call your business intelligence person, because a lot of persons are not able to get to the data themselves, because the data is hosted on some kind of SQL server, or if you have an API they can't reach, etc. And they need a BI team to extract the data, transform it, load it into a data warehouse, and at the first they have it by tomorrow, but if they have to create a ticket, maybe in a month, I don't know. But there is an other opportunity, a better solution for this, because today you can actually chat with your numbers, and you can do it on the fly. So let's see how that works. Here I have made my own Data Wonder BI portal, where I have this chat. And at first, let me look at the data model. At first, I have some tables loaded in, so I can just click here and upload a specific Excel sheet or CSV or some other source which is supported by this system. And then you see here that it will automatically create the relationships. So in this case, let's say the first table, this product table has a relationship with the invoice rules. Oh, let's put this into English. That's better. So this products table has a relationship with invoice lines, and this invoice lines table has also a relationship with a table called employees, dim dates, and customers. So what we can do here, we have an option to create relationships between different tables, but in this case it's already done. So let's get to the data browser. Here we can see what the data is all about. So here we have let's say a table customers. Now you see here all kinds of customers. I have here a date table with all kinds of dates. I have here an employees table, and I have a products table. And also here I can add more tables. And also I can here see the product types, what is very important for the data model. Well, now we can go to a dashboard. So this is a lot like Power BI. You can see a dashboard which loads the static data. But already here, like you can also do in Power BI, you have here filters, and you can say, okay, I want to see the quarter of the year, etc. It depends on what kind of filter you put in here. But this is static. But now I'm going to show you the solution I have. Here also you can see yes, but we're going to the chat. And here in this chat you already see some preferred options. So let's say, what is the total revenue per customer? Now, and this is like a chatbot, so you just put some sentence in this bar and you see it's already there. And this is a small data set. Well, let's go to a large data set. Let's say the top 10 customers by revenue in 2025. Well, 2 seconds. Well, think about this. 2 seconds with a large data set. So this is really huge, because this is a local model. This local model is installed on my own laptop. So you can have huge data sets with my program. And also, this is very large, like I said, because this has 40 million records. Let me show that. If you go to the affect invoice lines, it has 40 million records. So you saw how fast it was. And let's say I want to have a different question that is not in the in already prepared answers. I can just ask it. Let's say I want to have the top 5 sold products. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you see it already. It takes a few seconds and it's already here. And you see it looks like it's the same, but it's not. It has different values. Yeah, you can just scroll through it. And you can also, for example, if you click on this, you can see the data in a table form, but you can also download it. So then you get a CSV export and you can load it into your Excel, for example. What you also can do is you can click on this and you get the graph back, but you can also make something different from it. So like a bar chart, or let's say the line graph. Area is not suited for this. Shadow card is also not suited for this. That's why it's not working. I can also click and I get a pie chart, for example. So you see that there are all kinds of opportunities. And in this case, it's just my own program. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave something in the comments when you like my video. So this is a nice opportunity, and I can also here click on download CSV file. And so in this case I have made it for the Dutch and the Netherlands, Dutch and English, and I created a small and a large data set to demonstrate you that it's really fast with really big data sets. So if you like business intelligence and you want to know how this works, then let me know. So the last thing I want to show you is this view query. So every time you have a chat, it has a query here. Also this first one, I can click on view query. So this is the query it used to create this this table. And also here I can sort it, ascending, descending. I can sort this column, I can sort this column. I can format it, so I can make it euros, for example. So I can do all kinds of things here. I can do it, make it bigger, etc. So this is a very nice opportunity to show your data. And if you click on refresh, then you just begin again. So you don't have to get bothered by the old questions, and you just can ask again. So what was the revenue in 2025 and 2026 and 2024? Now it's generating, and now you see if I click on this, I can make it a bar, for example. And okay, well in this case no, I forgot I didn't have the year 2024. Well, in this case you see 2025 and 2026, and it's just working great. So like I said, like this video, and if you want to work with me, there's a link in the description of this video. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.